Well, in the latest update of the potential bankruptcy and end of Uber, Uber is now officially heading to court, and we're going to talk about it. Uber files were leaked. Uber's facing a new lawsuit by over 500 women, and now with the latest update as of today, there's a potentially huge update. Uber with the court system with Uber and how they're treating drivers fairly. And if they're even paying drivers enough. Should Uber be paying drivers a living wage? Or should Uber even pay drivers a minimum wage? Do you know that Uber outsources all of the expenses to drivers? The gas, the wear and tear in the car, the depreciation of the car, of the asset being used. You know, all of these things Uber is offsetting on drivers. And a lot of drivers are struggling, and they're the ones who are taking the toll of these large, huge expenses. It's so expensive to drive a car, to maintain a vehicle. You're purchasing this asset most times on a loan, and that value of the car is going down in value so much because you're putting miles on the car. And you know, Uber's just advertising like, oh yeah, great way to make 30 bucks an hour. And they're essentially hiding the fact that most drivers aren't making much money at all. A lot of drivers are actually losing money. There's independent studies that come out, not Uber studies, not Lyft studies, but independent third-party studies that show how drivers are actually losing money per hour, or like on average. You know, they go out for a day and they make 100 bucks. Well, they actually, you know, had over $100 in expenses, so they're actually losing money. And you know, these are people's hard-earned time, or hard-working hours. So. Alright guys, before I get started, I do want to thank our video sponsor, Solo. So one thing I do really like about Solo is that they have a guarantee pay feature right here, guaranteeing your pay, meaning that if you go out and drive for certain, let's say you go out at 10 a.m. for example, and there's a $37 guaranteed and you only make 20 bucks, well, they're going to cover the difference of 17 bucks. Now, that feature is only available in certain markets. These are the ones they are now, but if you sign up anywhere in the country right now, they have a nationwide free app that's actually going to help them be able to expand into that area. So they have free trials for their other plans as well. That includes mileage tracking, federal tax projections that actually help you with your taxes, market reports, job marketplace, and then the $7.99 a month is where you get the guaranteed pay feature. But you know, like I showed earlier, that could potentially be offset completely just by, you know, getting that guaranteed amount. So anyways, let's get into this article. U.S. Appeals Court could revive Uber's challenge to California employment law. Oh, by the way, when you sign up for Solo, they're going to send you $15 just as a sign-up bonus incentive to get started, either in Venmo or PayPal when you link your account. U.S. Appeals Court could revive Uber's challenge to California employment law. Uber Postmates seeking revival of lawsuit. Law dealt blow to gig firm's independent contractor model. Judge said no rhyme or reason to exemptions for other industries. The U.S. Appeals Court panel appeared to agree with Uber Technologies and Postmates that California lacked a legitimate reason to make it difficult for certain app-based drivers to treat workers as independent contractors while exempting similar businesses. So once again, Uber's like, wait. You want us to pay drivers more? No. Let's go to court to fight this so we can pay drivers less. During oral arguments in San Francisco on Wednesday, a 3-judge 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals seemed open to reviving claims by Uber and Postmates that AB 5, a 2019 worker classification law, violates their constitutional right to equal protection. AB 5 imposes a higher bar to show that workers are independent contractors rather than employees who have greater legal protections and are more costly for businesses. Gig companies rely heavily on services provided by independent contractors, whose some studies show 30% less than employees. Yeah, they want to keep drivers independent contractors, 1099ers, so they don't have to do minimum wage stuff. They don't have to do holiday pay. They don't have to do maternity leave, paternity leave, pay time off, all those benefits, health benefits, all that stuff. State lawmakers exempted a long list of businesses from AB 5, including referral agencies that connect workers and customers, but explicitly did not exempt app-based transportation delivery services. That means Uber is subject to the law, while pet sitting service Wag, which has called Uber for dogs, is not. Wow. So anyways, that's the update. I'll keep you guys updated with this, but I want to hear from you. What do you think about this? Do you think Uber and Lyft should treat their drivers as independent contractors or employees. And again, when you use the link below to sign up for Solo, they're gonna send you 15 bucks. That's across the nation, wherever you sign up. You get 15 bucks just for signing up. And you know, when you'll get access to the income dashboard, all that stuff, and the guaranteed option if you do decide to sign up for that one. And they do right now have a free trial until 7/31. So that's the end of the month for about 2 weeks. So check that out if you'd like. Otherwise, just sign up for the free version and you still get access to the personal income dashboard, custom weekly income reports. And you know, if you sign up for now, still get that 15 bucks just for signing up. Venmo or PayPal. Why not? Take advantage while it lasts. All right, bye guys.